Today, I'm walking towards Madrid Rio, one of the city's largest urban transformations. What used to be a multi-lane highway is now one of Madrid's most important green spaces, connecting neighborhoods, people, and daily life along the river. Madrid wakes up slowly here, shops still closed, shutters down, street calm around the mid-morning. Then a statue that honors Eloy Gonzalo, a soldier remembered for bravery during Spain's colonial conflict. Cafés begin filling. Locals ease into the day with coffee, conversation, and a quiet routine. Lavapiés feels lived in. Apartment blocks rise above street-level cafes, bakeries, and small shops. This building is Espacio Anet Cabelli, a municipal community and cultural center. It's managed by Madrid City Council and functions as public space for social, cultural, and neighborhood activities. Small plazas appear along the way. Statues focus on family, care, and community. Madrid's public art often reflects everyday values, not just grand figures. Then the city opens up. Puerta de Toledo stands as a reminder of Madrid's old boundaries. Once a gate, now a marker between eras. Unlike medieval gates for defense, this one was designed as a symbolic and ceremonial arc. From here on, space changes. Green replaces concrete, traffic noise fades, and movement slows. This part of the neighborhood also has a few cafes and shops, but it's a lot less quiet and a lot more green. The obelisks and sculptural design along Puerta de Toledo reflect neoclassical design, meant to elevate infrastructure into civic art. Fountains appear near Puerta de Toledo. Water softens the sound of the city. This area was once dominated by highways. Now it belongs to the people. From the bridge, the park opens wide. Paths stretch in both directions. Runners, cyclists, walkers, moving freely. The Manzanares River flows quietly beneath it all. Stone reliefs decorate the bridge. Angels, crest, figures from another era. Madrid doesn't erase the past when it builds the future. It layers them together. This urban park in Madrid is approximately 10 kilometers or 6 miles long. This part of the city used to be the M30 highway, and now, since the 2000s, it's been buried underground and reclaimed. Built using granite blocks between 1718 and 1732, it has 9 half-point arches. The park feels expansive, intentional, and open. And soon, a Spanish flag waves near the entrance. Madrid Rio connects neighborhoods once separated by traffic and concrete. The stonework here blends historic architectural language with a modern public space. At the lower level, the garden paths open up beneath the bridge. This section of Madrid Rio shows how the space was designed for everyday use. Shaded walkways, planted paths, and quiet corners built right into the infrastructure. Walking under the bridge, the scale of the architecture becomes more noticeable. What used to be a barrier for cars is now part of the park itself. Concrete arches repurposed into public space instead of dividing the city. On the other side, the park feels alive. Groups gathering, people stop to watch, and I came across a group of older women exercising and dancing together to music. It's a reminder that Madrid Rio isn't just a park, it's a place for community, movement, and staying active at any age. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time